No, I can't. I'm a responsible adult now. I can't.
Not true.
I can't do it.
You can. There you go. You just gotta hold it there. Just drop it and go.
I can't do it.
You can do
My
it.
clutch is gonna die.
It's not gonna die.
It will.
It's not that bad.
And I can't do it because this guy, if I stall the end, no, I'm not doing it.
Oh, you didn't do it for the video.
Here you go.
That wasn't even a lot. I want to hear tire screech. You gotta drop
tire screech because it's wet outside.
Exactly, which makes it easier. I already got you, bro.
It's all good.
Oh my God, yes, Megan Racing. That's not true.
It's not true whatsoever. No. It's from California.
California
State
that's
emissions.
why.
Yes.
Yeah. California's trash. Unboxing time. You need a knife? You have a knife? What do you need? You need something.
Let
You get something. Get a tool.
All right. So UEL headers. These are the Megan Racing UEL headers with overpipe. It's fucking pretty soon. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Oh God. There you go. Oh my God.
Good.
Holy crap. Wow, these are nice UELs. Ooh, look at these welds.
Yeah, they're not bad. They're nice TIG welds. They work. That is a flex pipe.
Oh my God, let me touch it. That is some thick metal.
That's good.
Look at those UELs, bro.
Dude.
Oh, you know what I hear? I hear Suvi sound.
I hear assembly time. I hear SBI coming from
I hear, let's go to my house and do this.
Yeah, like right now.
The manual, that's probably instructions on how to do it. These things are nice. Look at that. Beautiful.
I love them. So the biggest difference between, and you'll see this, you guys will see this as soon as we take off the headers, the stock headers. But first of all, the stock headers are equal length, but
yeah, it shouldn't be too hard to unbolt the stock headers and rebolt
this
the
is
new
where
one.
the O2 sensor goes.
Yeah. Actually, well, there's two. There's one that goes there and the one that goes there.
Yeah.
So that should eliminate the check engine light.
It's kind of, yeah, I'm not gonna have one.
Yeah.
But I like the flex pipe. That's really made nice. Megan Racing is good. I like this.
Look at this shit.
Nothing wrong with this at all.
What a great price. It was only $400.
Not even. 330
I thought it was like
with shipping.
$370.
No, 330 with shipping.
Oh shit.
Because it's free shipping. Megan Racing UEL headers with Megan Racing overpipe and a muffler delete exhaust.
Just a quick update. Car's on the lift. We're gonna get all this shit off. We literally just started. He's getting the plastic bolts off.
These plastic pieces are worse than the
Those
metal
are the
bolts.
worst. These are like,
I don't want to break them off.
I'd rather get a rusty piece than this. Fortunately, this car shouldn't be rusty either, so
What?
we're good. This car isn't rusty because it's new.
Yeah, I mean the bolts on the headers are, but we're gonna take this off anyway.
Yeah, he'll be fine. All right, see you when we take this off. All right, we kept working. I kind of forgot to film again. Headers are gonna go in pretty soon. We're gonna try to take these clips off so we don't have to undo the O2 sensors from in the engine. We can just put them on and take them off once the entire header is out.
Yeah, literally just take it off the front.
Yeah.
The O2 center boxer engine is so fucking easy.
It's good. So we get unbolt the 2 from the up pipe. We got 3 more from the left header side, whatever, the 3 bolts there. I already loosened the ones on the right. Basically just this side. Mark's gonna take this crap out.
You gotta take the clamp off the O2 sensor, literally pull it out. There's a way to do it, I just have to look it up. It's not that hard. Don't.
I feel like it's just...
It literally
it's
is.
like a
I just want to
plastic
make
clip.
sure that it's like that before we literally
Yeah, I guess you don't want to break it.
Yeah, exactly.
Sorry.
Alright,
So,
well, we'll
smack
see
it.
you in like 5 minutes.
Okay. So again, we loosened both sides of the headers. The hard part is getting the overpipe loose because we don't have the proper tools to get a good angle on this thing. So you're trying to do an adjustable wrench and hopefully that's enough. We got to get those 2 bolts loose. Once those are loose, we're going to drop the header down, angle it so we can take it all out as one piece. And if this doesn't work, we're going to have to probably go to Harbor Freight. Oh, wow. Man, it's that tough?
Yeah, this ain't coming off. I don't want to strip it.
I know.
What size is that in millimeters?
We gotta buy a tool. Worst part, but happened. We need a power tool. It's not gonna work.
I don't want to strip this bolt.
Yeah, I'm gonna have him drive because driving a stick with my stupid boot is annoying, and I have to like put an actual shoe on, take my boot off. Then every time I want to walk, I put this boot back on. It's fucking stupid. Crash Bandicoot bobble. I'm fucking proud of that. I love that. That's 50 horsepower right there.
Fucking racing.
Quick update. Mark and I are defeated.
Oh, right here. They can see me. We're defeated by 2 fucking stripped rusted bolts that we called a friend over to help us take off.
Yup.
He's an actual fucking mechanic.
My buddy Pat, he told me I've been WD-40ing the fuck out of these bolts. These two. We got two on the right sides off.
Literally just the fact that
two lefts.
It's not even the fact that they're so stripped. It's just the fact that it's so rusted. Once you rip the head off a bolt, you're fucked. That's it. Once we take out these two bolts, which are on the overpipe only, the headers were easy. So on these cars, I guess a lot of times the heat shielding on the overpipe gets rusted, but like the
same
bolts
thing with
on
the
it,
cat. Same
right,
thing with
same
the
thing with the cat.
And
like,
even the
it's
bolts
always
on
a
the
heat
headers.
shields. It's always a heat
shields
shield.
are fucking.
Yeah. So the heat shields what's fucking us up, and then
The heat shield's fucking us because we don't have
space.
We don't have space to do the fucking to get the heat shield off to put our fucking shit in there and trying to get the bolts. And then because these bolts are like rust welded shut.
I have really bad allergies right now, so like I'm stuffed up and sucks. It's great.
You look great though.
Yeah, thanks. Fucking 2 strip bolts. We're waiting for a friend to get here in 15 minutes.
He's a big American boy. He knows
if
rust.
we can get these bolts off, we'll have this. Like this is the hardest part. It's stupid hard how hard.
It's fucking dark.
It's I don't care. It's just
that's saying how long we've been doing this. For
it's
fucking
stupid hard. Like how hard these bolts are to take off. And they're not even for the fucking. They're not even for the headers. They're for the fucking overpipe. The header it took us 10 minutes.
That's a fucking
That's
Civic.
a Honda. It's like a MagnaFlow straight pipe on eBay.
MagnaFlow? Barely, probably not. It's probably some fucking eBay Canon, a muffler with just 2-inch piping from fucking
4-inch piping. You think Honda Civics like that have 2-inch piping?
Yeah, that's what gives it that fucking disgusting
rasp
pea shooter sound. Yeah, because the
my car is not gonna
like
sound like that. My car is no, fuck that.
Dude, the two you got took forever.
I got two off. I got two off,
proud.
but that was all muscling the fucking wrench, and like the other two were just. It just stripped. It just wouldn't do it. I think it was the bolts were too rusted for the socket to lock onto it, and it just stripped. So
yeah.
All right, peace.
Guys, it is almost midnight.
It's 11:30 at night.
And remember, it's a Thursday night. People work tomorrow. My parents are asleep. Their rooms are right there. And because we're fucking working on the fucking street.
So as soon as we're about to give up, I tried one last time to get one good hole with the hex bolt instead of the octobolt. So the hex bolt worked. As soon as we heard a crack and we knew we got the rusted bolt out.
Dude, we gave each other a look of like, we were like
fuck yeah.
This is it.
But
Subi stock header.
Finally gonna hit the Subi rifle. We gotta get the
gotta get the O2 sensors.
Yeah.
Headers about to go in. Transfer the O2 sensors. Nice ass, bro.
We just transferred the O2 sensors over from the old header to the new UEL headers, and we just literally have to plug in the headers, bolt it up, plug the O2 sensors in. That's it.
Make sure the first time we bolt it up, we make it tight so there's no fucking leaks.
Yeah, no shit.
We really want to hold the first time.
The gaskets is what I'm afraid.
If there's leaks, we'll take care of them when we take care of the overpipe. Yeah. The leak isn't gonna be that big a deal. Yeah. So. All right, Mark. We fucking bolted it off.
Everything's all set.
It's all good. What time is it?
It's 12:30.
Jesus fucking Christ. Yeah. We're in this for like 7 hours. Yep. All because of a fucking bolt.
Finally got the bolts off. The Megan Racing UEL headers are finally installed.
So unfortunately, we're still using the stock overpipe, but that's just for now.
There's literally no difference between the Megan Racing one and this one. There's no difference.
I mean, yeah.
The only difference is the heat shield.
Yeah, that too. So we plugged in our O2 sensors. These are as tight as we could possibly get them. These are fucking hard to get.
Yeah.
I don't know. Like none of our tools fit well for the corner middle.
Those are just. I mean, we got it, but like they were just fucking awful.
Yeah.
They're basic.
So now all we gotta do is put those plastic pieces back up.
The Megan Racing and UEL headers are finally installed. We're gonna do the overpipe later. I don't even know if I'm gonna do that. Well, yeah, we are, but yeah, we're gonna test it out. So video coming soon. Bye.
It got so cold. It's gonna have to work. Yeah. Sweet. We're gonna lower this bitch. Put all my stupid shit away. And we're gonna go for a test drive.
Alright, cool. Start time.
Alright, so I'm so nervous.
Yeah, this is gonna be like really fucking loud.
Alright, just do it.
Ready?
Yeah. I think we just pulled this off, bro. Oh shit, the rumble is real, dude. This is ridiculous. I think there's a slight leak, but it's not that bad.
It's not, let me warm it up. Hold on.
God, bro. This is ridiculous. This is so fucking loud, dude. Alright, we can talk normal now. We were whispering for like 3 hours.
It's a small leak.
Yeah, I can hear it.
Oh my god.
I bet it's the fucking overpipe.
Yeah. That's stupid.
Oh my god, the rumble's real.
That is real.
There's no check engine though. That's what
Nothing.
That's what
Just my TPMS.
Yeah. This is fucking crazy. I can't imagine how loud this sounds from behind us.
Oh my god.
This is retarded. This is.
Yeah, it's definitely leaking. I can feel it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can hear it. Alright, so we'll take care of the leaks, but for now, we have to get this car in one piece. That's the important part. It's good.
Oh,
Oh,
my god.
shit.
This is so fucking loud.
I know. Dude, that's a rumble. As soon as I heard that cold start, bro, I was like, this is fucking no way. Oh my god. Stay on. Yeah, you know where to go.
It's gonna kill me.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh, nice. Boom, boom.
Oh, I'm losing so much torque.
Are you?
Yeah. This is so fucking loud. Oh my god.
This is, they're fucking doing a detail right now. God damn it.
I love it, but I also hate it because it's not perfect.
I know, the leak.
It's good. It's good.
This will do for
It's
now.
good enough. I really like this. I like the sound a lot.
Dude, your downshifts sound amazing.
Right?
Jesus. This is awesome.
My tires are wicked fucking low. I can feel it.
A little acceleration, just a little.
I have no fucking torque.
Oh my god.
He's so slow.
Do a pull. Pretty dope. He's like, why are you so slow? Because there's fucking cops all over this road. I don't want to get pulled over as I entice him to fucking do a pull. Alright. Just because we have to. UEL headers, muffler delete. Go whenever you're ready. It's gonna be loud as hell. Yep. That shit echoes. Oh, you hear it pop?
I did.
Oh my
Dude, I
god.
heard it pop earlier today too on the highway. It
Yeah.
felt like it was.
I can't wait to get rid of that leak and it has a cop
It's gonna
tune.
be much louder.
It's gonna be